Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into how git fetch or git pull command works. Okay, so uh, there is a use case. Suppose in your team you have multiple people working, right? You have created your own branch and you are working on that particular branch. But in parallel, one of your team member created a new branch. Okay, and then he committed his code and pushed the code to the remote branch. Okay, so if suppose I want to get that code on my local machine, I have to do fetch. Okay, I have to do use git fetch command. Okay, so that I know what are the different branches created, and then finally I can pull that code. Okay, so let's first create a new branch. Okay, and let me. You can see that only one master branch is there. Let me create a new branch. Okay, and let's give a branch name here and say uh, change logo. Okay, let's say this is my branch name. Okay, create this branch. Okay, you can see that one branch is created. Okay, suppose I want to check out this code. Okay, check out this branch now. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Change logo. Okay, so it's saying path spec change logo did not match any file known to Git. Okay, so you cannot do a checkout until unless your Git local Git knows if there is already a branch or not. Okay, so in order to now find this branch, first we have to do git fetch. Okay, so now it is going to tell your local Git that this is a new branch which we have. Okay, and now let's first we have to do git pull. Okay, oh, git pull, or sorry, git checkout, uh, change hyphen logo. Okay, let's do. Okay, you can see that we have changed our branch now. Okay, now I have to do git pull if you want to get this code or get this branch code in your local. Okay, depending on the size of the file, it will tell you, or it will take few seconds. Okay, so if we go back to our Visual Studio Code here, okay, you can see that we have our uh, same master branch code. Okay, now suppose I add one more sample file here. Okay, and then say sample 4.txt. Okay, this is sample one, let's say. Okay, and now let's do uh git status. Okay, you can see one file is added. Okay, now let's do git add and then this sample 4.txt. Okay, we have added this file. Let's commit this code. Okay, commit hyphen m followed by the message sample 4.txt. Enter. Okay, you have committed your code, but let's see if we have this code in our repository or not. Okay, you will not be seeing this file in your repository. Okay, let me change this branch as well. Okay, you will not see this file here. Okay, so now I have to push this code. Okay, let's say git push, very simple command. Okay, so it is now pushing all your code to the remote server, right? It's pushed this code to this Git repository. Okay. Now, if I reload this page, I should see sample4.txt file. Let's do that. Okay, this is the change you are seeing now. Okay, so basically we saw how exactly git fetch work, how you can check out the new branch. Okay, then followed by git pull. Okay, you made some changes, you added that file, you committed those changes. Okay, and then finally you push that code so that you can see that code in the git. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.